Okay, boom. Okay, like this, boom, and boom. Oh, this thing, it is really cool. I have to say that it's really, really cool. It is comfy, but more than anything, it's gonna kind of like absorb you. You're gonna get inside, and it's gonna be so difficult for you to stand up because this thing, it is really comfy for gaming, for watching movies, for just like entertainment, or want to kind of like binge watch that favorite TV show, or if you want to put one, like two or three of these ones in the same area and have like a really nice social space. This one, this 43 inches, is 43 inches beanbag. It's actually really, really comfy. Let's take a quick closer look. Okay, check it out. As I was just telling you before, this thing is 43 inches. It is really fluffy, really soft as well. This one is going to be a good one for napping. But one thing that I'm going to tell you, as soon as you get the package, take it out of the box and take it out of the package because it comes kind of like vacuum sealed. Take it out, leave it 48 hours. I would say 24, but 48 hours is going to be better. And in the meantime, well, just as leaving this one in the floor or something like that, come and do something like this a few times, just like this, making sure that you are patting it every, I don't know, like every 6 hours or so. Just come and pat it a little bit and make sure that you're losing all those kind of like places that all the kind of like the inner stuff is going to be a little bit compacted and still vacuum sealed, so you can actually pat it a little bit. Another thing that I want to show you is right here. This section is going to have this non-slip that you can actually remove the cover if you want to take out of the inner stuff, like for example this one over here. But then this one is going to be really good for avoid moving too much, so that is actually quite good. And this thing, it is really heavy. I have to say that it's really heavy, but that's actually something you want in something like this. But man, again, just having one of this, ooh, it is really comfortable. If you want, you can kind of like sit in the edge and have a really nice, like a better posture, if you want to be reading or just watching your phone or your tablet or something like that, you can do it because it's big enough. Again, I'm 5'10", I weigh 180 pounds, and this one can fit me perfectly. But if you want, you can just do this, and relax better, so much better. This thing, it's actually quite comfy. I like it. I'm gonna get comfy. I do recommend it.